Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Tata looking at me like I'm crazy. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day. All the birthday madness is finished. Birthday is done for this year. And now it's time to get ourselves back in tune. Back to work, back to school, back to do what Mel do. So, got up this morning and got our workout in. Didn't film. I didn't have the camera and I didn't have the time to come back in for it. But just know that I'm proud of it. This is week what? Week 3? Week 3, and look at you. Week 2 didn't go so well in terms of he was out of town for 2 days. One day, what happened? One day, my clock didn't alarm. So and one day his back was hurting. So he still got 1 day in. So we'll take it than take nothing at all. So week 2 wasn't really what we hoped for, but we did something anyways. So today is the start of week 3. And if it was me alone to wake up this morning to work out without babe, I promise you I wouldn't have, because I had no motivation. I felt tired. But the thing about workout is once you get up and you start doing it, it kind of fall into place. I didn't feel accomplished this morning when I finished working out, because when I'm working out by myself, I go hard. Like I go and I work out for a long period, because I have to adjust my program to fit babe in to work along with him. I'm fine with whatever I get done. It will do than do nothing at all, or not be there with him. So with all that said, workout was a success this morning. Kids woke up, had their breakfast, ready for school, and waiting for me to go drop them. So here you go with my babies all ready for school. Let's see who we gonna see first. Hi you two. Sarah, Tyler, say good morning.
One. Look at George.
Ready for school? George is on his head. George is on his head. Sarah, ready for school?
No.
Ready for school?
Yeah.
Very good. You're gonna have a good day?
Yeah.
And you're gonna be?
Nice.
And be?
Kind.
Very good. And be? Be patient. Very good. And you're gonna eat all of your?
Lunch.
Very good. And you're gonna feel it?
Yes.
Very good. You're gonna take a nap, okay?
Okay.
When it's nap time, tell I'm speaking to her. When it's nap, Sarah, look at mama. When it's nap time, you lay down, you put baby, you close your eyes, and you sleep at school, okay? Okay? Okay, Sarah?
Okay.
Very good. Ty, ready for school?
Yes.
Gonna have a good day?
Yes.
Judo today?
Yes.
Looking forward to it?
Yes.
Yes! Alright, let's go be great, okay?
Okay.
And have a good day. Tell Faves later.
First, I want to show you something that I learned at judo.
Okay, they're looking. Go ahead, you have the floor.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Tyler said he wants to show you guys something he learned at judo. Okay, stay there. Go ahead.
It's not really like.
That's okay. Just show them what it is. What did you learn? Oh!
Learn to fall.
Oh! So you learned to fall safely.
Yes.
Okay.
I learned to fall.
You learned to fall also? Ty fall. And Sarah, no running at school and get hurt, okay? You walk, okay?
Okay.
No more boo-boo, okay?
Okay.
Very good.
Look. Repeat.
Mosquito repellent? No, you don't need no mosquito repellent. Anyway, have a good day, okay? Right? Right? Tell Fizz later.
Later.
Oh! No, I just give both of them medicine. You guys, I am here watching. What do you think I'm watching? I am glued to my TV today because you guys know that I love me some royal family, and the Queen's funeral is today, so I am watching that. I'm not missing a beat. It's amazing to see all these presidents and prime ministers and kings and queens in one area for such an occasion. It's crazy to see, but something like this you don't see this every day. So I mean, you might not be there present, but watching it on TV, this is a big history. I mean, yeah. So I'm watching the funeral and I'm working at the same time. And at the same time, I'm trying to get some stuff done in the house, like doing laundry and tidying up, because of course we went away for the weekend, so much wasn't done. It was my birthday. If you guys missed those vlogs, go and catch them up. So I am also doing dinner at the same time. I'm gonna throw some chicken in the oven. I'm going to do potato salad for Tyler because Tyler been asking me for potato salad. Tyler loves potato salad. I don't think Sarah will eat it, but there's pasta in the fridge, so if Sarah doesn't like this, then she can have a potato salad, but I'll still put some on her plate just to see how she manages it. And then I'll do some veggies, probably some broccoli for Babe and I to go with the chicken, and then we'll have dinner. And I don't eat lunch as yet. You guys know I don't do breakfast much these days, but I'm just trying to get through the day. So I have carrots and potatoes in here with some salt, and then I'm going to add the eggs to it when it's almost finished cooking for Tyler's potato salad. And in the meantime, I'm gonna make my brunch. There goes brunch. I'm gonna eat now and enjoy the Queen's funeral. I don't know if enjoy is the word, but it will be an experience. Hello. Hi. How are you? Say, I am fine. You had a good day at school? Yes, Mama. Say, yes, Mama. Who is this? Rainbow on your shirt. Who you have in your hand? Very good. What you had for lunch at school today? What did you eat? What did you eat for lunch? I eat. You're not telling me what you eat? To eat. You eat bread? Yeah. And what? And banana. And banana? And what? And what else? What else did you eat? Yeah. What else did you eat? Eat banana? Eat cheese? Yeah. Yeah? Yes. Oh my gosh, this girl. I pick up my kids from school. But only Sarah is home right now because Tyler is going to sport. Tyler have judo on a Monday. But baby's going to pick him up, so I don't have to feed Sarah and then rush to go and pick him up. So that saved me a little up and down to do that. But yeah, Sarah did well at school today. Another successful day. So I'm back in the kitchen finishing up dinner. I didn't finish before I left because I was having the worst headache ever. So I'm back and the chicken is already done. So I roasted chicken earlier today, but what I didn't do was make any veggies. So I'm just whipping up this real quick. I'm just sauteing some green beans and green peas real quick so that Sarah can have dinner in a bit. And then I went ahead and I made Tyler potato salad, which he's going to be happy about. And if Sarah doesn't like that, which I'm almost sure she won't, I'm going to give Sarah a little bit of this pasta, and that's potato that I didn't want to mix in this potato salad. But yeah, you get the idea. So that's dinner for today for the fam bam. Alright, there goes Madam Sarah plate. Let's see how she handles her potato salad, because I don't think she's a fan, but we'll see. I'll let you guys know how that goes.
Oui, comme ça.
What you doing? Showing Papa what you learned at judo?
Yes.
Okay.
Attends, mets-toi un peu plus derrière, la table elle me bloque. Merci.
He went to sport and come back and teaching Papa what he learned.
D'abord, je mets ça sur le coude. Après, je mets ça. Essaye de te relever. Je ne peux pas. J'ai ses bras. Et maintenant,
Super.
What did you learn?
I only learned that.
That's all you
Except
did
this
today?
thing like this.
How to fall?
Yes.
Control fall? Okay.
Maintenant, je sais comment tomber cette prise.
So you ready for the official start next week? Yeah. Anyway, say prayers. It's time for bed. Why are you so happy? What you doing?
I didn't do the thing to Papa.
You're funny.
Thank you, Lord, for this house, and for Mama, Papa, big sister, and Taylor, and for all my family and friends. Amen.
Amen. Oli. Oli. Bedtime. Tomorrow's gonna be a long day.
Did you do thing on you?
Oh no! We're gonna have a long day tomorrow, so go get some rest.
Tomorrow I won't have a long day.
Yes, you will.
I just have sports.
Do you have sports tomorrow
Yes,
at school?
yes.
Okay, and then what did I tell you we're gonna do after I pick you up?
Ah, yes.
Exactly.
Don't need the supermarket bag of tomorrow.
Come, bisou. Go tell Papa to give you some medicine before you go to bed. The one in the bathroom.
D'aller au lit, c'est dans le sac de bain. Le
You guys, I am having the worst headache in life, and my computer keeps freezing. So I think it's, even though I don't finish what I want to finish, tomorrow vlog is not even ready, but I think that's my cue to shut down and go get some rest. So I'm gonna sign out for the night. Today's vlog wasn't much, but I give you what I got. I'm gonna come back with babe and end the vlog.
Mama, you're ending the vlog?
No, I'm waiting for Papa to come end it. If he come now, that would help.
Like that we can be here.
Like that I can go lay down.
Sit on your leg.
Yes, but Papa, don't sit on my other leg. You're too big.
Papa not big, Papa strong.
Hey, I like that. I like that. That's a good definition of what it is. Babe, I know you're
I'm
tired.
I'm very, very, very tired. I didn't stop. I mean, I come back from work, pick up Tyler at 7. got some goodies on the way. I come here, eat, and doing different things all over the place. So I'm just gonna relax.
Wait, I'm going to drink water.
And after this relaxation, I'm going to sleep early tonight. I'm just...
Yes, and we have workout in the morning. Don't worry, you have one rest day come Wednesday.
Yeah, that will be welcome. But one day by day, step by step.
Anyway, you guys, that's it for today's vlog. Sarah surprised us and said her prayer earlier by herself. I wish the camera was on, but it was on. These days, you cannot put her to bed without saying her prayers. She called you back and tell you prayers. I need to film her saying her prayers for you guys. Hopefully, I'll remember tomorrow. If not, you guys will see it one day. But anyway, we're signing out for today. So give this video a
Thumbs up.
comment down there.
No.
Subscribe if you are.
No.
Catch up and keep up with the
Mama.
hey, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Bye guys. Go your bed. Go your bed. Run along. Chop chop.
Kiss to face.
Kiss here. Who?
Kiss to face. I'm going to give a kiss to face.
No, you cannot wake up the camera.
I'm
names.
not going to wait up
Oh
the
my
camera.
God.
Tell her I love you. I have to go to the beam.
I'm going to be.
Mwah!
Go, I'm coming to put it to bed.